You can't do that very fast. Or if you do it very fast, it's not going to be very precise. So I tried to build one where all the moving parts don't weigh as much. So I'm not moving any heavy motors or a heavy printed bed with glass on top. I'm only moving this little bit. So I'm just using marlin with a tiny little hack to make the conversion from the regular Cartesian X, Y, and Z to the delta geometry so that the three motors are coordinated in the right way. But all the the temperature control and everything is already in there. So I just used the existing marlin firmware and adjusted it a little bit.
He's putting all the machinery back down the front.
Yeah.
So it's lighter.
Right, so these motors down here, they don't move at all. They're just attached to the frame. And they're driving the belt, and the belt makes these three guys go up and down, and then these three guys just push the arms around to make the hot end go wherever it needs to go.
That's what I want to do.